Okay, honeys are sitting around 1,081. So even if they give out the tiniest bit, this could be a very valuable token.
Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about HoneySwap and why you should do a transaction. Why you should do a transaction is because HoneySwap is talking about doing an airdrop. So what is HoneySwap? HoneySwap is a second layer solution to reduce fees on the Ethereum network. Okay, honeys are sitting around 1,081. So even if they give out the tiniest bit, this could be a very valuable token, free money. So let's go ahead and get this set up in our wallet and make sure that hopefully we qualify for the airdrop. So let's go back to the information. How do you do a transaction on HoneySwap? Well, you have to have some DAI that you bridge to xDAI, and you have to have the custom RPC. So the first thing you want to do is head over onto Uni and pick up a little DAI. So I went ahead and did that, the regular DAI, and we're on the normal Ethereum network, okay? So I went ahead and picked up a 50 DAI. That's one of the precursors here. Okay, the next thing you need to do is add the custom RPC. This is the second layer solution that allows you to run on HoneySwap. So you're going to click on your MetaMask and you're going to click on the Ethereum custom RPC. And I'm going to go ahead and enter the information. Now, I find it easiest just to put this in Notepad. Otherwise, every time you click off of it, you will lose the focus on your wallet. So I've got a Notepad set up. I'm going to put in the information to add this. So basically, this allows your wallet to run on a different network. Block Explorer, this allows you to look up TXs. Now, again, the biggest problem I've found with these types of things is the friction of getting it set up, because it seems a little complicated, right? For sure. So we've got our DAI and we've got a little ETH in our wallet. So we've done the first steps. So we went ahead and added the custom RPC per the directions on Median, and now we're going to bridge DAI to xDAI. So basically we're going to convert our DAI into xDAI. So head on over to here. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Okay, and I'm going to put that over here. We're launching our token bridge, whatever. Do at your own risk, right? All right, so now we're going to go over to the bridging page. And for this, we need to switch back to the main Ethereum network. And like I said, this is confusing, but that's okay. So we are going to convert some DAI to xDAI. So this is where we convert our DAI into xDAI. So I'm going to type in 50. And then I'm going to hit transfer and wait for the MetaMask pop up. Now, what I noticed is if you use a decimal, it jacks it up. So don't use a decimal. So I'm going to go fast and I'm going to give that a little bump to make this happen quicker. All right, so we have to wait 8 confirmations. Oh, it's an eternity. Obviously, this is to prevent double spends. Okay. All right, a crypto eternity later, and we have our 8 confirmations. So we've converted DAI to xDAI. So what you're going to notice with second layer solutions, that most of these token bridges that bridge networks will probably most likely always use stable coins of some type in order to preserve equity. So we've got that. So we go ahead and hit OK. And then we are just going to go on over to HoneySwap.org. HoneySwap.org. Now, if you get an error connecting, chances are there's a little pop-up in here where you have to basically accept it. 50 xDAI. So I got to choose a list, HoneySwap default. All right, so let's do Honey. Of course, there's Honey right there. Okay, so now that we have gone to honeyswap.org, we are on Honey and we are second layering, baby. So I'm going to go ahead and I am going to say I want some Honey. Okay. And then I'm going to choose xDAI because that's what I have in my wallet. So 0.047. Wow, this is expensive. 1,062 per honey. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit, and oh, might as well check my slippage. Okay, looks good. I'm going to hit swap. Transaction confirmed. I own some honey. So hopefully I make the snapshot with this transaction. Now, the next question is, go to assets. Where's my honey at? So of course, as always, just like anything else, you have to add the custom token contract to your wallet. Custom token, add the honey, hit next, next, and I've got some honey. So that's it. So I have made a transaction on the HoneySwap network, and hopefully that qualifies me for the HoneySwap AirDrop. We shall see. Like, subscribe. As always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.